CarStory research indicates this vehicle as having a recent price reduction. A good deal. Features also include air conditioning, third row seating, hands-free Bluetooth integration. With these ratings, looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2017 Journey. Dodge Journey combines the practicality of an SUV with the comfort of a car, all while boasting a style all its own. The Journey's optional third-row seat, along with innovative features like a chilled beverage cooler and in-floor storage bins, make it a good and affordable alternative to a traditional minivan and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, traction control, stability control, anti-lock braking system, steering wheel audio controls, power steering, driver airbag, adjustable steering wheel, keyless start, cruise control. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.